Okay, I'm gonna see if I can do this and still be safe. I gotta turn on my phone and then put my glove back on. Let's take a look at some of these bees. So what you do is, I've got these 3 hives now. This is one of the original ones, and then these 2 are new nukes, which means, I guess, nucleus with a queen and a bunch of drones. And the new ones are really thriving. I'm going to put a little smoke in because it makes them docile. And I just filled up their feeders, which are inside of there. On another day, I will give everyone a chance to see what's inside. Okay. So now I've got these nice docile bees, and let's take a look here in their luxury two level digs, how things are when we open it up. You see lots of bees, and then you have these frames inside. If you look at the frames, look at all of that. Isn't that amazing? It is so cool. So I had, when I put these in, I put in enough to fill up those bottom frames, and now they're dwelling through a whole bunch of the whole thing. Let's put the thing back, the top back on. So I had these 3 hives full, these 3 boxes full last year at about this time, but only one of them survived. This one here, what used to be in here died, so I had to replace those. And then the ones that used to be in this one actually were really thriving, and I think they ended up swarming elsewhere because they needed more space and more water and more food. So, and then this is the original. We're going to give this a little smoke. Take a look at how they're doing. But each of the 3 different hives is their own address. God save the bee who decides to go into the wrong one. Let's go ahead and lift that up. You see all of those that are all over the top. And then let's take a look here. You can pull one out. There's a little gadget that I need to get that will make it a lot easier to lift all those frames. Here we are. Look at all of those guys. Isn't that just amazing? Isn't that just beautiful? And the buzzing is very calming. It has a very therapeutic effect. Apparently, there's a lot of work that's being done with veterans who have PTSD and bees. So there you go. And these guys are really quite gentle. They don't really want anything. They're not interested in bothering me. And I want them to thrive. So it's nice to have some companions here on the property.